Hello, I am Meghna Sharma, online classroom student from Law Prep Tutorial Jaipur. Law Prep Tutorial has been uploading a lot of online mocks on its portal, and these mocks help me in assessing my strengths and weaknesses and also help me in boosting my mock attempting speed by providing us with a set time. As a student of Law Prep, I know that Law Prep has a year of providing exceptional study materials and mocks, so I would like to use this platform to thank the remarkable and unprecedented work done by the faculty of Law Prep in providing us the online videos and supporting us daily. Thank you, Law Prep, for teaching me and guiding me every day. Thank you for letting me take my classes.
Hello, my name is KHUSHI and I am from Bhopal. I took the All India mock test which was conducted by Law Prep, and I must say it was a really good one because it was perfect. It was neither too hard nor too easy. It helped me assess my weak points and gave me a fair idea of what the questions will actually be like in the main exam, that is CLAT. So in all, I must say that the exam was a really good one, and last but not the least, thank you Law Prep.
Hi everyone, I am Manch Patnagar and I am a student at Law Prep Tutorials JODHPUR. I took today's online mock test and it was indeed a great experience. I could compete with more than 10,000 students even in such a difficult period of lockdown where it was almost impossible. I would like to thank each and every teacher of Law Prep Tutorial who always burn midnight oil in order to provide the students the best study material. Today's mock was not only according to the new pattern, but it also had questions which were very standard and contemporary. I have taken more than 70 such quality mock tests throughout my journey at the Law Prep. Again, I would like to thank each and every teacher at Law Prep Tutorial.
Hello everyone, I am Urvi from Bhopal. I attempted today's All India mock which was conducted by Law Prep, and I am really obliged to say that they took so much of efforts and pains during this lockdown and gave us the opportunity to attend this mock. All over, it was a good mock which was set up on the exact new pattern of CLAT. Thank you Law Prep for always supporting us and motivating us.
Hey everyone, I am Harsh from Rajasthan. I am the student of Law Prep Tutorial offline classroom program. Today I took the online test conducted by the Law Prep Tutorial. It was such a great experience as one can compete with more than 10,000 CLAT aspirants. The test was not only based on the new CLAT pattern, it was also on the same lines as that of sample papers provided by CLAT consortium. So, and I and all the students of Law Prep Tutorial have given more than such 70 to 75 tests. I would like to thank Law Prep Tutorial team for guiding us all through the way, providing all kind of material and academic support. Thanks to Law Prep Tutorial.
My name is Aman Chaturvedi. I am from Chitrapur, Madhya Pradesh. Today I attempted All India mock test that was conducted by Law Prep. All in all, the paper was of a standard level. The logical reasoning section was quite tricky, but legal reasoning and general knowledge was scoring. In spite of technical glitches today, I would like to thank Law Prep Tutorials for making our mock so smooth. Thank you.
Hi guys, I am DIKSHA from Bhopal. I attempted All India mock test. That was very easy and very smooth. GK section was very easy and maths was not that tough. Legal reasoning was also very scoring, and all in all the mock test was up to that mark, and I am really thankful for the Law Prep team to meet the standards of CLAT. Thank you.
My name is ANAYDA and I am from Chhindwara. I am preparing for CLAT. As mocks are a very important part of our preparation, I took the All India Open Mock Test of Law Prep Tutorial. The questions were very wide ranging. I can't say anything about the difficulty level because there were questions of all kinds, and overall the mock was really good. Thank you Law Prep Tutorial.
I am Devanshu Mehra and I am a student of Law Prep Tutorial Jodhpur. I took the All India mock test today and realized how the faculty members and the mentors of Law Prep Tutorial Jodhpur are working so hard for the care of their students. Even in this nation-pan lockdown, they are providing us with the best quality of material so that we do not stop our preparations for the common law admission test. All India mock test was extremely related to the new CLAT pattern, and it tested us on all the parameters the CLAT consortium wants us to test upon. I would like to thank the mentors and the teachers at Law Prep Tutorial for providing us with all the facilities so that we do not stop our CLAT preparation. Law Prep is the best.
Hello, this is Anwar Kumar Sahu from Law Prep Lucknow. So yesterday I gave my All India mock. The mock was really great. All the sections had some easy questions, some moderate passages, and some tough passages, which made the overall mock very great. And as the most distinctive feature of that mock, according to me, was that in logical and English questions, the passages were taken from the sources as mentioned by CLAT consortium. And in GK, they followed the pattern. I mean, the questions were really nice, and they were from current knowledge as well as from static knowledge. And plus, in legal, the passages were taken from the excerpts of article or any other books, which was really nice. The questions were as per the CLAT consortium sample paper, and quantitative aptitude technique was also great. I mean, they followed the pattern as mentioned by CLAT consortium, which was really great. I'm very thankful to LPT. Thank you.
Law Prep Lucknow. I am here to talk about the Law Prep All India mock test which was held on 20th May. The paper was good, the difficulty being moderate, and the legal section was easy, won't take you more than 30 minutes to complete it. English was easy as well. Maths was a bit moderate, I would say. GK was moderate as well, with some of the topics coming from the recent events. Coming to the reasoning section, puzzles were very easy, and CR was average also. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Ayush. I'm from Law Prep Tutorials Lucknow. On 20th May, I gave All India mock organized by Law Prep Tutorial. Overall, the mock was standard. Some sections were tricky, some sections were easy, but all the questions were based on the sources recommended by the CLAT consortium. The legal section was totally based on the editorials of the newspapers. The English and the math section was easy. The CR section was on the trickier side, and the GK section was standard with the questions of current affairs and the static GK. Overall, the mock was very good and of the standard of the CLAT consortium.
I am Shreni Kaur, student of Law Prep Tutorial. I gave All India mock which was held on 20th of May. According to me, maths and GK were easy. Legal was moderate, whereas English and critical reasoning were difficult. So overall the paper was moderate, and one can easily expect such questions in CLAT paper as well. Thank you.